unity of your thoughts, feelings, deeds, and intentions. Unity. Not think one way, do another way, feel third way, and having intentions completely opposite. You see, that is not human conscious living. So have unity. Think about this. That's something that you need to do for yourself in your everyday life. Have unity. So everything is going the same way. Your thoughts, your feelings, your intentions, your words, your deeds. Okay. Same, it's like train. When train has one track to go, right? If then there is another tracks there, but train goes only one. If train try to go two different tracks, or paths, train is going to crash. And same with our life. If we do one thing, think another one, feel third one, say something completely else, then there is no conscious human living there.